KOVAI Classic Industries make tender coconut punch comb splitter. This machine is used for tender coconut punch comb splitter and also for matured coconut cutting into halves. Specifications: all are stainless steel. Blade are stainless steel 304 grade. Punching holes stainless steel 304 grade. All frame and bolt nuts stainless steel 202 grade. KOVAI Classic Industries. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, and NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net, www.kovaiclassicindustries.com. For other queries, please drop comments or call us to the number provided in the description box.